roasted pumpkin soup.
Hi, welcome to Live Connect. Uh, this is our 8th week on live cooking sessions. So this week we decided to try something completely new. All the dishes today are vegan, and we're starting with dinner rolls first. So okay. Dinner roll is not vegan, sorry about that. So we are starting with dinner rolls, and the next will be roasted pumpkin soup, which is vegan, and we are doing a vegan mac and cheese. So we will also tell you how to make a vegan dinner roll if it's possible. So we'll let you know that option as well while doing the session. So enjoy this week's session, and we'll see you soon. Let's start.
Here I have some ingredients. So this is the butter, it's unsalted. This warm milk, and little bit of yeast and sugar. And this is the I'm using this instead of egg. So this is the mix of protein powder. It has 15 gram of protein and 10 gram of oil and 60 milliliter of water. So let's start now.
So we are starting with some sugar and warm milk, and we're going to add the yeast to it, and so that the yeast can get activated, because we are using dry instant yeast. So dinner roll is a very easy recipe which we can make it at home. For dinner, and this goes as a very good snack, and it goes very well with pastas. And here we are using some egg replacement. This is you can also use flax egg. Flax egg recipe is also same. You have to add 100 grams of flaxseed powder to it, and add some water. Now we are adding the butter. Instead of butter, you can use olive oil. That other than that, everything else you can use the same to make a vegan dinner roll. So we mix it, and so that everything gets emulsified together. This we have added salt.
I already add salt in this.
The flour.
Yeah.
And we slowly incorporate the flour with the wet ingredients. Very easy way of making it, it's not too complicated that we need a dough machine or anything. Very easy. You can also use wheat flour if you are interested, and millet flour also. It depends. Because of the fiber content, it may become a little hard and crustier on the outside. For dinner roll, we don't usually need it longer, because we don't want it to stretch the gluten to it. flour to it.
And now
Now we are adding the protein content.
Balik sa spoon din.
It can be either aquafaba or flax egg. We are using whey protein. Now you can shift it to a work top, so we can knead it nicely. Just adding a little bit of oil to laminate it. Dough is getting nicely smooth and peelable. Dough is so soft. Now we're going to start the rolling. We are using a baking tray. You can use a casserole or any baking pan will work. We are using a baking tray that fits in our oven. gently rolling it. Dinner roll is supposed to be soft, so we are not stretching it too much by releasing the gluten. You can make it a bigger sizes as well, and you can braid the dough like a braid, and you can create many varieties. You can make it as a roll like what we showed you last week for a pesto pinwheel. Now we rolled all the doughs, so we're going to rest it in for 30 minutes for it to proof. And we also going to decorate the dinner roll with some mixed seeds. We mixed pumpkin seed, sesame seed, melon seeds, sunflower seed, and some flax seed, and also sesame seeds. So we're gonna decorate it with that. Very rich and healthy. Once we finish our soup and mac and cheese, we will show you how it has baked and came out so fresh from the oven. So we can start with the pumpkin soup now. We'll close up for this session of making dinner rolls, and we'll catch you up with pumpkin soup in a minute. Thank you. Stay joined.
Baking instruction.
Huh?
Baking instruction.
So the baking instruction is 170 degree for 7 minutes. 170 degree for 7 minutes.
Okay, so we'll see you back in a minute. Thank you. Stay tuned.